Look at this stupid cunt. Good job I was keeping the speed limit. I could pull over. Look at this. Oh, fucking hell. I thought the red car was going to smack her, look there, and then fucking push it in front of me, so I had to quickly swerve out of the way. Fucking cunt.
Buddy. Hey, watch him, Josh. Watch him. Little kids, man.
Yep.
Yeah, little kids. You know? They do have a green light to block the lane, right? You just fucked up, Tesla. Where's the old lady gonna go to? Huh? Dumbass. Ay, Dios mío.
(800-795-0962). That's 800-795-0962. And let Best Medcare do the work for you.
At 11:08. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 8th. Your sound in half a mile. Turn left.
Clear turquoise waters and the Navy's Blue Angels. It was the Navy that brought Sherry and Greg Malarick to Pensacola. They both worked air traffic control at the local naval station.
God damn!
September 21st, 2001
What
was
the
a busy
fuck?
night.
Can you come to 28th Drive in Peoria, please?
What happened?
I just got hit.
I'm coming. Where are you at?
I'm in the...
Get his plate. He might take off.
What?
92442B. 924.
92A, 92A, 42B.
924.
92A,
Right down.
92A.
42B, 92A, 42V 928.
Fucking twats! Fuck's sake! Oi! Oi! Come here, you little cunt! When you pull into a line of traffic, you fucking look. When you pull into a line of traffic, you look. Don't you fucking do that to me, boy. I will push you off that piece of shit. You understand me? People like you cause accidents. You're fucking twats. Fucking pathetic little wanker. Learn how to fucking ride before you fucking ride around trying to destroy other people's lives. You're a fucking twat.
You twat. Look at this. Don't pull across. Clear junction. You've come through on the red light. Well done. Very poor driving. That's a red light, blocking the traffic. You're the car. He's going car. Giving me the finger. He's got to get over first, hasn't he? These people, they never learn because they never look at this. The road's blocked. They've come through, blocked the junction, right? Where are they going to go? All they're doing is blocking us, so traffic can't go. It went to, yeah, sorry, I made a mistake. Oh, fuck! I got through lights, so you didn't get through lights. You didn't get through on green. You got through on red, and then blocked everybody else up, stopping the flow of traffic, which is slowing down your flow of traffic. That's how stupid it is. That's how stupid you are. You blocked us. The traffic behind us is blocking you.